Hello viewers, hope you all are doing great. Continuing with protein series on my channel Foodscito, today I'll be discussing about structure of proteins. And this topic is very important for subjective as well as objective examinations point of view. And this video would be really helpful for the beginners who will be able to learn about protein structure in a simplified manner. So, whenever you talk about structure of proteins, you talk about different levels of structural organizations, namely primary, secondary, tertiary and quaternary. So in today's session, I'll be focusing on primary level of structure. So let's begin. Primary structure of proteins denotes the number and sequence of amino acids. That means here we are focusing on two things, number of amino acids and their sequence. Now this primary structure is maintained by the covalent bonds of peptide linkage. And this primary structure is very important as it determines the higher level of structural organizations. That means secondary, tertiary and quaternary levels of proteins are determined by its primary level. And each polypeptide chain has a unique sequence of amino acids as determined by the genes, right? So these were the few facts regarding primary structure. In addition to that, I would like to discuss regarding two things. One, peptide bond formation. What is peptide bond? And the other one is what do you understand by N-terminal or C-terminal, which is frequently asked in your degree programs examinations, right? Let's understand. So, as you can see over the screen, how does a peptide bond forms? I have represented here. When carboxyl group of one amino acids reacts with amino group of another amino acid, it leads to formation of peptide bond, which is represented as CONH bridge, as you can see over the screen. Now, as you can see, I have mentioned two terminologies, N-terminal and C-terminal. Now, what do you mean by that? In a polypeptide chain, at one end there is free carboxyl group, which is known as C-terminal, and on another end you have free amino group, which is described as N-terminal. So today we covered few key learnings of primary structure of proteins. In my next video, I'll be talking about secondary structure, and in my next videos, I'll be talking about the remaining levels of structure. So stay tuned with Foodscito for more such concepts and learning in a simplified manner. और अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया है तो प्लीज लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. Stay tuned. Thank you for listening.